What happens when the world stops working for its own people? Fuel is running out. Streets are filling with endless queues. Families are struggling just to cook a meal. Supply chains are broken. Ships stand still, and no one knows who will fix it. Until someone decides to act, not for power, not for politics, but for the people. Moving what others couldn't, delivering what the world needs, restoring what was lost. They warned him, "Stay out of this. This is not your fight." And he answered, "I don't take sides. I stand with people."
Stop the war. People are suffering. You have made it difficult for them to get petrol and cooking gas.